Hello everyone, I'm N. Gopiraj.
We have done our major project on face detection using Raspberry Pi under the guidance of Professor G. Mallikarjun Rao. Our team number is 23. So this is a Raspberry Pi. We have connected it to a output monitor, and even the webcam is also connected through the USB port. Even internet is available through the LAN port. So once you boot the Raspberry Pi, this is how the desktop looks. Basically, our major project is about face detection. We have created a utility, that's the face detect utility, which is written in Python. It's a bash script, so that we can directly run it through the terminal. Let me show. So our source code is it's on the desktop. Let me navigate to the desktop through the terminal. So this is our Python code. We have linked all the OpenCV libraries. For face detection, we require OpenCV libraries to be installed, and we have used the Linux-based OpenCV dependencies, and we are using the OpenCV version 2.3.1. So let's see how it works. As it's a bash script in Linux, we use the command / and then the file name, that is the face detect. We can send the input image by using either a live webcam capture or using a pre-existing image stored on the Raspberry Pi. So once we connect the webcam, we can watch the live feed in the browser itself using our local IP address. As we all know that Raspberry Pi it's not very highly powered, so we can see that the frames drop a lot and it's not smooth, but still we can achieve better results once you store the image. As we can see that the webcam live feed is running, and now we can capture an image using the terminal. We have a command for it. It is fs webcam space -r space . We can name our image as test1.jpg. So this is our captured image. Now we try to detect the face in that image. As we all know, if it's a bash script, then we execute it by using the command /, and face detect is our code file name. We are using the option -o. -o will produce another output image. The destination folder is /home/. We are putting it on the desktop, and our input image is also on the desktop. That's the test1. Let us name our output image as test 2. As we can see, the compilation has just finished and we have obtained the coordinates of the face. It says the number of faces detected is 1. So let us check the output image. So we have obtained the output image. Let us check it. So here we can see that face has been detected, and we have also obtained the coordinates. So we can close this. Now we'll be using a test image which we have downloaded it from the internet, and let's see if it detects the faces. The name of the output file we have given is test3. So here in the output you see that number of faces detected is 10, and we have also obtained an output image test3.jpg. We'll open it and check. As we can see that all the 10 faces have been detected, and also the coordinates of the 10 faces have been shown. So this is how we have used the face detect utility to detect faces on Raspberry Pi, both using a webcam and also a pre-existing image. Thank you.